I'm Roy from Roy's Garage. Today I'm going to be working on a 2015 Toyota Camry XLE Hybrid 2.5 liter automatic. I'm going to show you how to change the engine oil and the oil filter. These are the tools I'm going to be using today to do this job. A universal oil pan drain plug wrench, 3/8 ratchet, 3/8 extension, flat tip screwdriver, cup type oil filter wrench, funnel, and my drain pan. These are the parts I'm going to be using today to do this job. 5 quarts of 020 Mobil 1 full synthetic engine oil filter, and a can of BgMOA engine oil treatment. First, we're going to be opening up the oil filler cap. Okay, we're going to be putting in the funnel. Now we're going to go underneath the vehicle. So we're under the vehicle. So I'm going to be removing my drain plug. So I'm going to be putting back my drain plug. And I'm going to be using the old washer. Nothing wrong with using the old washer. Okay, so now I'm going to be removing the oil filter with my cup type oil filter wrench. I'm going to be unscrewing it. So I'm going to be cleaning this canister using some brake clean. If you don't have brake clean, just use a rag. So now I'm going to be replacing my O-ring. So I'm going to be filling this with some oil. This is an option. Putting my filter in. Putting a little oil on the O-ring. Now we're going to install this filter. Okay, so I'm going to be installing my filter. So I'm going to be cleaning up the engine side, wiping it down, screwing my filter on. So I'm going to be adding in my engine oil. Okay, so I'm going to add a can of MOA. So I'm going to remove my funnel, and I'm going to be screwing on my oil filler cap. So now I'm going to lower the vehicle and start up the engine. Okay, so I'm going to be turning on the engine. You step your brake, hit the button once, and it's going to say ready. So now I'm going to be putting my gear shift into drive. And it's going to start up. Let it run for a little while. Put it back into park. Shut off the engine. Now we can check the oil level. So I'm gonna be checking the oil level. Be pulling out the dipstick, wiping it down, putting it back in, pulling it out, and checking the level. Perfect, right up to the full mark. So that's how you change an engine oil and an oil filter. Make sure you subscribe, give me the thumbs up, and I see you in the next video. Aloha.